In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use meeting notes in Microsoft Loop. Whether you're new to Microsoft Loop or looking to up your productivity game, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. To get started, open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Loop. This will take you to the Loop app where all the magic happens. Once there, simply sign in to your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to create one to enjoy all the features that Loop has to offer. Once you're signed in, it's time to create a dedicated space for your meeting notes. In the Loop app, head over to the Ideas section. You'll notice a plus icon. Go ahead and click on that. This is a quick and easy way to initiate a new Loop page where you'll organize all your notes for upcoming meetings. It's a good idea to keep your notes in one place, making it easier to manage and reference them in the future. Next, select the Meeting Notes template. Microsoft Loop provides this pre-formatted structure specifically designed to help streamline your note-taking process during meetings. With this template, you don't have to start from scratch. It provides an outline that covers key components such as agendas, action items, and discussion points. Now, a great feature of Microsoft Loop is the ability to share your Loop page with colleagues or team members. To do this, simply click the Share button. When you do, you'll see options to set permissions, like whether others can edit your notes or just view them. Adjust these settings based on your collaboration needs and who you want to invite into your productive meeting environment. In addition to sharing the entire Loop page, you also have the option to share individual components. For instance, you might want to send just the agenda or specific action items to certain team members. This level of granularity ensures that everyone remains focused on their responsibilities without being overwhelmed by unnecessary information. However, if you're sharing these components with someone outside your organization, it's important to note that the external user will need a guest account in your Microsoft 365 tenant to access the shared content. This maintains the security and integrity of your information while allowing collaboration beyond your immediate team. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've set up your meeting notes in Microsoft Loop, making meetings more organized and efficient. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for learning with us today, and don't forget to explore more features that Microsoft Loop has to offer. Stay productive, and see you in the next video.